So here we have the Vauxhall Mokka on a 2017 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car first, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside. So on the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further. The vehicle also has this boot liner, which would have been an additional extra, and then underneath this section here, even more space, again, should you wish to remove that liner. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in. And as I mentioned, we'll run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the centre at the top, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges. Beneath that, you can see the trip computer. So you can change the information that's displayed there using controls on the indicator stalk. You can have a digital readout for the speedometer, for example. At the bottom of that section, the total miles of the car, they are 32,774. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have cruise control, speed limiter, stereo and phone controls. The phone controls can only be used after you pair the phone up to the car, which is done over on the touchscreen in the center. Hit the phone icon, then you would search device, and when your device comes up, just follow the instructions on this screen and of course your phone screen. When it comes to your audio, we have AM, FM and DAB radio, USB input, Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly once you've paired your phone, of course, and auxiliary input as well. You can project certain Vauxhall friendly apps up onto the screen by connecting your smartphone via its USB as well. We have a settings menu just there. Below that, you'll find your dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. All adjustments will momentarily show along the top of the screen. When you're happy with those settings, your air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperatures you've set just here. Or just hit auto. The car, as you can hear, will now take full control of the fan speed and also the direction of the air. You can override that whenever you wish to. It does so to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. Below that, you can turn off our traction control. In this section, you will find your auxiliary USB input and a 12-volt charging socket, and then the gear lever for the 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at 7daysonly.co.uk. We'd love to hear from you soon.